forward.
When you see that, my viewers, me have the rest of that video there for sure no. The dolly them broke. Mama go do her hair and not have no money for pay the hairdresser. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video yeah. Subscribe to my channel if you do not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Daniel family them a look FEMA road and they even know say Daniel in a shallow grave. Plus Niney press button no bap. I say him shoulda jump in a no man war. Him shoulda just go and hold the sideline. And one done in a Craig town now. And a Rick Dick, Gaza, I run the whole place. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I make on know where I go on. Pre this.
Shoot up my money. Whoever be it, man, you're right. Shoot up my money then now. Alright, sir. When you have the money, you get your phone. Don't touch me. Shoot up my money. When is it tell you come up for? You buy fuck for now. You buy the uncut fuck for now. You know what I mean? You come for. Wanna shingle? Wanna shingle? You buy fuck for now. Give him my money. Go for my money. Give him my money. You can't use it, come and kill it today. Oi, you'll be a dead motherfucker. Can you come with more and back up? And when you look, you drop like big follows. Let me get my money. And the pan, nasty.
You see that, my viewers? What a shame and disgrace. The dolly them broke. So you gotta tell me, say, she go do here and know say she nah no money. Just for go through this. For the people them take liberty her, video her, and I post it up on media. For show the world say she broke and nah no money for do her here. And a them woman you live with man, you know. You see say more time in her life the woman them delusional. Cause you would meet a woman in the street. And a woman a go make you know say yo if you nah no money she nah give you no motion. But the man where she live with her yard, where she sleep with every night in the bed, him nah give her nothing neither. Him nah give her $1. Cause me a tell you no say if the man where she did there with did a do something for her, show the right there so right now I do her here and now have $1 in her purse to pay the girl with do her here. Some of viewers wanna tell me wanna think about that and walk with me and now see me Niney press button no bap where I say him shoulda jump in a no man war. Him shoulda just go and stay up on the sideline. Cause see it you know, police are harass him family them. Go for him little brother and go lock him up on them thing there. My viewers, go on a little history about Bap. So when Ichipang was alive, Bap and Ichipang them did good, you know. Him never have no problem with Ichipang them, you know. But you don't know Niney style. Always a getting at the youth them head, getting at the youth them ears, and a program the youth them for start warring at the place. Till see it you know, Bap can't even get a good night's sleep. Can't even get a good plate of food. Him have to run up and down and a catch all over the place. When him could have there same way, I go and hold it in a top jungle, but three make Niney press up him button and use him till see it now. Him look like madman a road, me I tell you now. So get to youth, Dan and the general them boy you not care about none of you know. Badness is a using thing. Half of them don't use you. And if you not take no talk from them are going to send your own friend them to come bust out your head. So see me my people, Bap, Niney press button. I say him have a bag of regrets. But a badness the thing name. This you sign up for youth. It's a dead house or jail house for you. Some of viewers, walk with me now. See 22-year-old Daniel Brown here, aka Custom Inc., a tattoo artist from Old Harbour, missing from April the 1st. And him family them a wonder. And I say I wear Custom Inc. there. But it think a road, you know. So the man them dirt Custom Inc. and throw him in a shallow grave. And right now him family them they even know that. So see it my people. When you go missing boy, yeah, hard for you come back alive. Worse when a 1 month that youth you go missing for. Where them did expect him there. I run him run we go on a small island. Or find a woman a foreign and dig off left them and never want them for know. But as we say, the streets are say, Daniel Brown, aka Custom Inc., man them dirty man drop him in a shallow grave a whole Harbour my people. So no walk with me and now. Me I got Craig Town, where one done around the place now and a Rick Dick. Gaza man them take over. My viewers, you remember in the last year, when I did guess them, bigger them, and Rick Dick them a war for Craig Town. Now, I one done in a Craig Town and a Rick Dick. Gaza take over the whole place. The man them who Rick Dick did a war with, have to put them foot in a them hand and take with themselves out of the place. Who no run we gonna foreign, can't come back in the place. And if Gaza man them here say them the anyway in the place, man them a make brawling step and go put 9 ball in them face. So see it my viewers, the unnecessary war in the community them, it only a mash up the community them. It now do nothing good for the community them. So to all of the dons and the general them out they will feel like say war go get win. No war now win boy ya. Look around. Or no warrior them a just a go dead off. And who fi go jail a go jail. And who fi run way a go run way. So as we say, one done in a Craig Town now. And a Rick Dick. Gaza man them have the whole place. A motion from up the road to down the road to cross the road. And any man when I work with Rick Dick system, I go get the lead out of the place. So my people, until next time, protect on the 3 points of road. On the don't know my code. A life over death. You see me?
Shoot out my money. Whoever do it, man, you're right. Shoot out my money then now. Alright, sir. When you have the money, I get your phone.